Hey everyone, welcome back to Ukoi AI, your go-to channel for exploring the best tools to grow your content creation game and make money online. In today's video, we're diving into Fliki AI, the ultimate tool to turn text into professional videos. Stick around to learn how you can use Fliki AI to create content, attract viewers, and yes, start making money with it. Fliki AI is a powerful tool designed for creators who want to turn scripts or blogs into stunning videos effortlessly. With Fliki, you get access to over 2,000 voices in 75 languages, perfect for creators targeting a global audience. What makes Fliki special is its natural-sounding voices that can even replicate regional accents and tones. Whether you're making YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even educational content, Fliki has you covered. The interface is so simple that even beginners can master it in no time. Now, let's talk about how Fliki AI helps you make money. Here are the top features that make it a game changer. 1 text-to-video conversion, write a script or blog, and Fliki turns it into a polished video with visuals and voiceovers. 2 blog-to-video and PPT-to-video, repurpose old content into engaging videos for social media, a goldmine for creators looking to save time. 3 Magic Create, just provide a prompt, and Fliki does the heavy lifting by generating a complete video for you. 4 Support for 9:16 format, perfect for shorts and reels, the hottest formats for social media monetization. With these tools, you can quickly create content that drives traffic to your platforms, leading to ad revenue, affiliate earnings, and even sponsorships. Of course, no tool is perfect. Here's what you need to know about the pros and cons of Fliki AI. Pros: easy-to-use interface, supports multiple languages and accents. Ideal for beginners and pros alike. Cons: free version adds watermarks to videos. Video length is limited in the free plan. Subscription plans start at $28 a month, which can feel steep for budget creators. But let's be real, if you're serious about making money online, this tool's efficiency can quickly pay for itself. So, how do you turn Fliki into a money-making machine? It's simple. 1. Create videos for clients. Use Fliki to produce professional-looking videos for businesses or influencers. 2. Affiliate marketing. Include product links in your videos to earn commissions. 3. Grow your channel. Post engaging videos consistently to attract views and monetize your YouTube channel. Start small, but stay consistent. Fliki makes scaling up easy. And I have put a link to access this tool below the description and comments so you can register for free and experience it before buying. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Ukoi AI for more content like this. Let's keep creating and making money together. See you in the next one. Goodbye and see you again.